Good morning, family. I'm Stephanie Wade. I'm Habasio, helping your brothers and sisters in Africa, and I'm also the one and only Creole Griotess. And y'all, I guess this is the so-called winter time in the Gambia, because the sun is coming up a little later every day. So I have the lights on this morning, the front lights, and yes, I have lights still here. This is, I guess, a lot different part of town where I actually get lights longer. So I guess it's a plus to having cash power and putting money on your own books. More control over when you have lights, I guess. But anyway, guys, how y'all doing this morning? I hope no matter where you are in the world, you are having a wonderful and blessed day. I know time's different in the Gambia, but whenever y'all see this, it applies to you anyways. Like I said on previous episodes, I feel like I'm putting a letter in a mailbox that somebody opens the next day or something. I know in Texas it's like a 5-hour delay. So lots of you guys are sleeping while I'm recording this. I woke up lots of times last night and looked like I had slept forever. So time is relative, y'all. I got up, I checked my comments from YouTube. I looked at my Facebook account, stuff like that. Then I went back to bed. Oh. If you have not subscribed, please do. It's free, y'all. If it's your first time to my channel, welcome to my channel. And if you're coming back, welcome back. I appreciate and agape love all of you guys. No, I don't feed the birds. I am just a bird lover, y'all. And it's so funny because no thanks to Alfred Hitchcock's movie, The Birds, I used to have a bird phobia, y'all, that lasted until my adulthood. But as I become a parent, I didn't want to pass my fears to my children, so I faked it till I made it, you know? And I held my children's hand and I walked through the pigeons in Chicago, and I knew that they was just afraid of me as I was of them. And I didn't scream or run or nothing. I just walked slowly and deliberately with my children. And my phobia wasn't transferred to them. And as I got older, I actually acquired a love for the birds and how beautiful they were and how they sound so pretty, that eventually it turned into a love affair with them. And no, I don't want to do like Frank Francis of Assisi or anything right now and have my little arms out like in the movies so they can land on me. But they definitely do seem like they're coming close to me in the video. It's just that it's the part of the Gambia where it's already a lot of birds anyways, from different species. And if they don't have a fear of you, they'll just go on and fly their own little merry way. So if I'm in their little flight area, they don't care. They're gonna fly anyway. I'm just an object to them. A non-threatening object. So they just pass on by. That's all they do. But anyway, y'all, I hope that you find happiness wherever you are in the world, because you know it starts from within. I'm glad you guys are finding my channel and sharing with others. And I'm even happy for the guys that's looking at my channel and haven't joined yet. I had such a high number of views. But if it don't turn into subscribers, y'all, what's up with that? I don't know. So just subscribe, y'all. Help a sister out. Just subscribe. Hit the like button. Hit the notification bell. And that's all I'm going to say for that. You know, as I listen to these birds and wait for the sun to rise, I think about you guys. And some of you guys are getting better at visualizing that y'all are here. And I'm so proud of y'all. I am. Because it's a beautiful place, y'all. And I'd like to share it with y'all. And that's the only way I can do that right now. Is through just showing y'all the video. And letting y'all hear the birds sing. And see us somewhat of the sun rising. At least me anticipating it rise. See if I have to turn the lights on today as opposed to tomorrow. And be happy with me that the lights are even on, you know? Yeah. And no, upstairs is not mine, just downstairs. The top is somebody else comes and stays there. And I'm gonna turn this camera around so y'all can see what I'm saying, y'all. Hold on. Okay, guys. I had to go turn the light off so y'all could see a different view, different perspective. I'm wearing my jacket this morning, y'all. Y'all know any excuse is better than none for wearing a jacket in the Gambia. This is my sister jacket, of course. I love wearing these kind of jackets, y'all, that have my sisters on them. Straight out of what? Galveston, Texas, y'all. Cooperative economics. During a Kwanzaa time. And it was the cutest little fanciest jacket I ever saw. And I just had to get it, y'all. Just had to. Nothing like cooperative economics. But anyway, y'all, let me turn this around. like people watching too, y'all. And dog look like. Well, guys, I hope that helped y'all with y'all morning meditation and mental getaway. Like I said, I can't show y'all all of the birds because they're all doing all kind of cool stuff in the sky. And sometimes y'all can see them and sometimes you can't. And sometimes I see them at the last minute and I can't get them on the video. But when I'm looking up, y'all, that's what I'm doing. But I can't be making all these abrupt movements with the camera. I just don't know their flight patterns, so sometimes I get lucky when they fly into the screen. Sometimes I don't. But they definitely did show up and show out for y'all to hear them this morning. And I appreciate that from them. I don't know if they all aware what I'm doing. I don't know. But anyway, y'all, until the next episode, I hope y'all enjoyed my people watching, dog watching, bird watching. Until the next episode, y'all, from the Gambia, West Africa. Peace, peace, power to the people. And I'm out, y'all. Bye.